In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce font size in Dorik website. We'll walk through logging in, opening your site, selecting the text you want to change, and using Dorik's built-in controls to make the font a bit smaller while keeping it readable and on brand. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Dorik login page. On the login screen, click Sign In As, then choose your Google account to continue. This takes you into your Dorik dashboard where all of your sites are listed. Find the site you want to work on and click Edit Site to open the editor. Once the editor loads, click directly on the text block you want to adjust. Selecting the actual text ensures the right panel shows controls that apply to that element, so you're changing exactly what you intend. You'll see the settings panel on the side. From there, open title styles. In Dorik, title styles typically control headings such as H1, H2, and H3, so this is where you make consistent changes to your titles across the site. Now look for the text size slider. This control lets you decrease the font size smoothly without having to type in values. Drag the slider left to reduce the size. Move in small increments and watch the canvas as you adjust so you can see how the change affects your layout in real time. A slight reduction often goes a long way. Aim for something that fits the design without sacrificing readability. As you adjust, keep a few practical checks in mind. Make sure your heading still stands out from body text, preserving a clear visual hierarchy. Watch for awkward line breaks or text wrapping on smaller containers. Reducing the size can help fix overflow, but you don't want lines to become too short or cramped. If your heading spans multiple lines, a modest size reduction can improve balance and make the section feel cleaner. If you're working with multiple title levels in the same section, try to keep proportional spacing between them. For example, if you reduce your H1 slightly, you may want your H2 to remain visibly smaller than the H1 so the structure stays clear. Also consider accessibility. Crisp, readable text improves the experience for everyone. Avoid shrinking text to the point where contrast and legibility suffer. When you're happy with the new size, that's all you need to do in this workflow. You've reduced the font size using title styles and the text size slider, keeping your design consistent and clean. Thanks for watching, and enjoy refining your Dorik website's typography.